Hey everybody, I forgot to show you whether it works or not. So let's see what happens here. Alright, I got the brake on. Yeah, it don't work. It's not, I need something, I need like a piece of rubber or something there to make that work. Or see, you saw, I put my heel on there and it stopped. And I was, so I gotta come up with something else. Well, I think this idea worked. I think I'm on the right track. I just gotta figure something out here. Maybe some kind of piece of rubber or so. I don't know, but anyway, there it is. We'll have to continue with this. Thanks a lot for watching. Catch you later.